Welcome to our channel. If you want to search across all streaming services simultaneously using JustWatch, follow these step-by-step instructions to find where any movie or show is available. Step 1. Visit the JustWatch website at justwatch.com or download the JustWatch mobile app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Create a free account or continue as a guest, though an account allows you to save favorites and receive notifications about price changes. Step 3. Click the Filters button and select which streaming services you have subscriptions to, such as Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and others. Step 4. Use the search bar at the top of the page to enter the title of the movie or TV show you want to watch. Step 5. Review the search results showing all platforms where the content is available, including subscription services, rental options, and purchase prices. Step 6. Filter results by streaming quality, price, or availability to find the most convenient viewing option for your preferences and budget. Step 7. Click on a streaming service logo to be redirected to that platform's page where you can begin watching the content immediately. Step 8. Add titles to your watch list to receive notifications when they become available on your subscribed services or when prices drop for rental or purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.